How to send money on PayPal to Venmo. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Unfortunately, there is no direct transfer method from PayPal to Venmo. However, you can go ahead and try some of these few indirect guaranteed method. So you can use your PayPal debit card or credit card. Make sure that you have linked your debit or credit card with your PayPal account. From your account, transfer the desired amount to your linked bank account. Once the fund has been transferred, add your bank account to your Venmo account. Now you can transfer the fund from your bank account to your Venmo account. By this way, through an indirect method, you'll be able to transfer fund from your PayPal to Venmo. If not, you can also use a debit card for this. You can order a PayPal debit card. Once you have the card, add it to your Venmo account as a debit card. When you spend money on Venmo, choose the PayPal debit card as your funding source. The fund will be deducted from your PayPal balance. Please make sure that with the fund, there might be some of the associated fees or it might also take some time, so make sure to have some patience as well. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.